Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Real Hacker. Today I'm going to talk about the operators in C programming language. In my previous videos, I teach you about the arithmetic operator and a relational operator. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the logical operators in C programming language. Okay, let's start. Logical operator. Sorry, operators. Okay, these are the symbols that we using that we use logical operators in C programming language. This symbol and this symbol. These are two logical operators in C programming language. From this, we can see the it it equal to the and operation. Sorry, not and and operation. If the first value is not 0, it is true. If the first value is not 0, it is true. But if a final value got 0, it is false. It is false. Okay, I know you can't get that clear idea. You can't get the clear idea from that. I will show from those by examples. Then from this symbol, it is similar to OR. OR means operating operation. You know that there are AND operation and O operation. The things here are they are the logical operations. This symbol is equal means this symbol is similar to the operation. Say if the result of it not equal to 0, not equal to 0, it is true. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to work with that logical operators in C programming language. I get that previous values for this also. Then I'm going to do that my code. Okay, Okay, let's see what are the things on there. uh, from this slash and n mark we tell when the result is coming in command prompt, give a new line. If not, like this, it gives a new line. And if not, the whole result is in a same line. That's why we can identify what are the things on there. That's why we put that slash n mark to give a new line. Okay, we use in there we use that if condition. That if condition, if this a and b is true, uh, the C programming is going to print condition is true. If that condition is false, that false, it false means else in there. If that condition is false, it print condition is false. These are the two conditions in two conditions. And then I'm going to copy this code, and this is O mark. Okay, then I change the number to, then I'm going to change that two values given in there, 10 and 21 and 10. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to put a comment in C programming language. Put the slash and multiply mark, then give new value. Okay, then you have to close that comment, then put a star mark and then slash mark. Okay, now I give a new value, a equal 0 and b equal 10. Okay, now I'm going to copy that code. Okay, now I am going to change these numbers. This for 3 3 4 and 4. I have to change this also. I put that this in wrong way. Okay, the code is over, and now I'm going to run my code. First we have to save it, and then I'm going to compile my code. gcc slash compile 1.c 1.c means my file name, then gcc 1.o. okay, then I'm going to run my code, enter. Okay, this first, if a and n b, that means if there is no any uh, zero value, that condition is true. Then a or b, that also the condition is true because there is no any zero values. If there is any zero value, then condition may be false. Now you can see I change my values, a equals 0 and b equal 10. Then you can see when a and when that a and b code is running, the condition is false because the value of a is got 0. If any value got 0 in a and b, the condition is false. But if any whether if a or b got 0, there is no any problem. In this India, the condition is got true. I told earlier that it work as o, o operation and n operation. uh, this a and b work as an operation, and this work as the operation. Okay, thanks for watching my video. If you have any problem, you can mention them in my comment section, then I can solve that problems. If you like to watch like those videos more and more, you can subscribe my YouTube channel